Welcome back to Toyota Northwest Edmonton. In today's walk around video, we're looking at pre-owned, certified and reconditioned 2023 Toyota Highlander Platinum all-wheel drive in magnetic gray metallic color. This is a 7-seater SUV equipped with the 2.5-liter turbocharged engine and automatic transmission. This powertrain produces 265 horsepower with 310 pound-feet of torque and also has impressive 5,000 pounds of towing capacity. Exterior features here at the front. By the way, Platinum is the top of the line and fully loaded SUV. Exterior features here at the front including gloss black grille with pre-collision sensor in it and chrome surrounding. Also, we can see front camera for panoramic view monitor, plenty of sensors at the front bumper. Also, recovery hooks are hiding behind those covers. LED day running lamps, LED headlamps, LED fog lamps, and dynamic radar cruise control camera integrated into the windshield. And also we can see that this Highlander Platinum comes with original Toyota dash camera that we can see through the windshield. On the side here, exclusively styled 20-inch wheels with alloy rims and splash guards. And on the side, silver painted roof railings, shark fin roof integrated antenna, privacy rear windows with tint and chrome surrounding, body color door handles, running boards, lower body molding. This is our smart key fob with power liftgate, and also liftgate has a hands-free opening, and here's Highlander emblem at the back. Also, it comes with keyless entry and Toyota connected services that gives you opportunity to have a remote start. And in order to use keyless entry, just simply press those two lines on a door handle. Vehicle will be locked. To unlock, put your hand on the door handle, it will be unlocked. Also, it comes with automatically folding and unfolding exterior mirrors when you're locking and unlocking your vehicle. If you don't like this feature, you can just keep them unfolded at all times. Exterior mirrors are also equipped with integrated turning light, camera down below for panoramic view monitor and paddle lamp. Also blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, and they heat it. Interior is black. We have wood-like trim in the doors and central console area. Also some silver elements in the interior. Driver's seat memory system, silver door handle, powered windows with auto up and down for all 4 windows, power doors, window lock. This is our power exterior mirror settings for adjustment and folding, unfolding feature. JBL premium audio system and one of the speakers placed in the driver's door, bottle holder storage compartment, and LED illuminated entry. In the driver's cockpit area here, we can see door seal with Highlander badge and illumination, all-weather rubber mats with Highlander badge. On the dash here, we can see, and first of all, they made of soft leather-like materials with the gray stitching. Here we can find brightness adjustment for driver's display, odometer trip reset button, automatic high beams, panoramic view monitor, camera and button, engine start stop off button, power lift gate and heated steering wheel, small storage compartment, power gas tank hatch release. In front of the driver, 3-spoke leather wrapped steering wheel. Behind it we can find fully digital color driver informational gauge cluster, and also we can see the mileage, slightly over 30,000 kilometers, still plenty of Toyota factory warranty left. Fuel economy right now sitting at 11.9 liters per 100 kilometers, but it really will depend on style of your driving. All 3 sectors of the driver gauge cluster could be customized. Depends on what information you'd like to see here. Also, it comes with lots of standard Toyota Safety Connect features like lane departure alert, pre-collision system, pedestrian and bicyclist detection, parking support, braking, and so much more. Also, Platinum grade comes with a head-up display that projecting most important information on the windshield. If I zoom right now, you can see that I'm on parking, speed is 0, and also driving support there. So information projecting on the windshield, so you keep your eyes on the road at all times. JBL speakers in the corners and roof pillars on both sides. On the steering wheel, on the left side, we can find driver informational gauge cluster controls right here, hands-free button, volume up and down, voice intelligent assistant, dynamic radar cruise control with front sonar sensor and lane departure alert on the right side, and more audio controls right here. Behind the steering wheel, we can find push button start for engine. We see a 12.3-inch Toyota multimedia touchscreen with some chrome a carbon-like style surrounding, and it seamlessly flows through the dash to front passenger area. Here we have Toyota connected services available, of course, by subscription. Also audio, Sirius XM HD radio, Bluetooth, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and lots of other great features. Here's our traction monitor. Down below, underneath the screen, we can find 3-zone automatic climate control with ventilated and heated front seats with the 3 different levels of heat and cooling, front windshield wipers deicer, front window deicer, rear window defroster, along with heated exterior mirrors button, a rear climate right here. That's a front passenger controls. Air vents, hazard light button, QI wireless phone charger pad with light indicator, and level below we can find 2 USB-C, 1 USB charging ports, 12-volt connector, storage compartment right here, wood-like trim in the central console, gear shifter knob, 2 cup holders, different drive mode select for eco, norm, and sport, and when we switch we can see pretty cool graphics on the driver's display. Same with the multi-terrain select. We just turn this knob and we can pick between mud, sand, and dirt and rocks. And here on the right side, electronic parking brake with brake hold, traction control off button, deep snow mode, and downhill assist control. Central console has this armrest with the sliding door, and here we can find a small tray for items, deep storage bin right there, and with 12-volt connector. In front of the passenger right here we can find storage shelf and locking glove box. As I mentioned previously, original Toyota dash camera already comes with this Highlander. Overhead console including automatically dimming rear view mirror with HomeLink universal garage door openers, storage for glasses with the rear passenger area mirror. Also, it comes with panoramic roof and powered sunroof. So here is the sunshade for our roof and controls for power moonroof. Toyota SOS Safety Connect button for emergency roadside assistance with unlimited distance in United States and Canada with active Toyota Safety Connect subscription. You can learn more about that on toyota.ca or from your product advisor. And map lights for driver and front passenger. Sun visors have integrated mirrors and automatic light. Seats in this Highlander Platinum made of black Softex material with real leather trim and a unique pattern stitching. Pretty big headrest. Driver's seat is 8-way power adjustable with the 2-way power lumbar support. Front passenger seat is 8-way power adjustable as well. Rear passenger area including children's safety locks in each door, same interior elements. Also we have retractable sunshade. We can remove it if we don't need it. JBL speaker bottle holder storage compartment, power window button, storage pockets behind the driver and the front passenger seat. Here's our captain's chair type second row seating with independent armrest, removable tray here with the cup holders. We get very easy access to third row sitting. It's down right now. Let me lift it up for you. Here is our spacious third row sitting with the headrest. Very easy to get in, and everywhere you can see all-weather rubber mats. Convenient step, also grab right here on the side. And also children's seat anchors at the back of every seat. Configuration and modification of Highlander interior is very easy. You could get everything done pretty much with one hand in one simple move. Here's our panoramic roof in here, air vents, map lights for rear passengers. At the back of the central console, we can find heated second row seating buttons, automatic climate control, 2 USB-C charging ports, 120 volt outlet. And moving to the back, we can see rear spoiler with high mounted stoplight, privacy rear glass with tint and wiper, Toyota emblem with Highlander Platinum badges and chrome rear bumper protector. Here we can find backup camera, 2 lights, and power liftgate. Also with hands-free opening and closing, just simply swipe your foot underneath the rear bumper for door to be open or closed as long as you have key fob on you. And here's the indicator for hands-free opening and power liftgate button. Also the height of the liftgate could be preset, depends on what you need, what height of the door you need to be open every time. This Highlander Platinum comes with the perfect original Toyota cargo liner that extends to the third row sitting. So make sure your cargo space is nice and clean at all times. And folding third row sitting, very easy, just with one simple move. That's it. We have perfectly flat cargo space behind the second row seats. Third row passengers also have their own cup holders. And another JBL speaker here in cargo area. Underneath this cover, we can find tools to replace spare tire. You can easy access it by just undoing the screw there, like unscrew the bolt, and the spare tire will drop on the ground. And privacy tonneau cover stored right here underneath this cover. Let's have a last look at this pre-owned, certified and reconditioned 2023 Toyota Highlander Platinum all-wheel drive that we have here in stock. With fairly low kilometers, still plenty of a Toyota factory warranty left on this vehicle. This is a top-of-the-line Highlander, comes with lots of luxurious comfort and safety features like heated and ventilated front seats, heated second row seating, panoramic roof with powered moonroof, leather interior, different driving modes and multi-terrain select, rear automatically dimming rear view mirror with HomeLink universal garage door openers, and so much more. Stop by to test drive this Highlander today. We're located at 137 Avenue and St.Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, the big Toyota dealership.